Welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I'm glad you're back to watch my videos. Thank you for keeping it at Jackie Naturals. Now I'm going to show you shortly how I use my homemade whipped cream in my meals. That is so good and full of nutrients, full of proteins and fats. Now I have my meal here. You can see my meal consists of more proteins and fats. You can see the avocado has proteins and fats. Avocado has fats that are so good, the natural fats that are so good for my health, that are so good for my gut health. And I have my eggs, and you can consume this amount. Eggs are healthy, they're very good because they are proteins, and that is how you burn the stored fats, and very healthy. They help you in very many ways. We are going to do another video on the foods, how you count the calories, and even for weight loss it is going to help you. You can see my veggies, they are enough, quite amount. And my carbohydrates, this is my ugali, the Kenyan meal that we so much love, and this one is a very small portion. Actually, this is even big. I don't think even I'm going to finish it. You're supposed to do more proteins and fats, and then the veggies, and then the carbohydrates are supposed to be the smallest amount. Now, this is the way I start my meals. I do the probiotic first. I have my fermented milk. The fermented milk I made with the wholemeal milk, the cow's milk, and I fermented it. And it has starch, of course. It has carbohydrates, but very little. And it has a lot of fats because I made it from the whole milk. And I start with it to prepare my gut and also to help the body to start burning fats because of the processing of the proteins and the fats. Now, after the probiotic, the fermented milk, I'll do the avocado, of course, to prepare my gut and to lubricate my gut and to help the metabolism to be smooth. And also after the avocado, I'm going to do the eggs. After the eggs, I do half of the veggies, and then the other half of the veggies I do with the carbohydrate, which is my ugali. And now this is how I use my whipped cream. I can see so creamy and spongy. I use it in my veggies, so tasty, and adds the nutrients to my veggies because it has fats and proteins. And that is how I'm going to enjoy. You can use the whipped cream in your smoothies. You can use it in baby smoothies, and even for weight gain, how you combine it with the oats for people who want to gain weight. We're going to do more videos of that. People want to gain weight, what do you eat, and many more. Kindly thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for staying at Jackie Naturals. As I enjoy my meal, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I love you so much.